welcome to Chisholm Prism. My name is Taylor Chisholm, and today in this video I'm going to show you my haul that I got from Shein. And I rarely go on this app, but this time around I found myself finding a couple of good deals that I really enjoyed and ended up with a cart full of items. And I wanted to just show you this overhaul of things that I got. And begrudgingly, I am aware like Shein is a fast fashion company that's well known for creating a lot of cheap clothes, but then it's also just a lot of trendy items that can lead to a lot of waste and end up in landfills and things like that. So keeping that in mind, that's why I rarely use this app. Like a lot of the times I go to thrift stores, I rarely buy clothes that aren't thrifted. But in this case, I just wanted to show you some of the items that I found that I thought were more classic pieces that I will use a lot in my wardrobe. And I also want to share maybe some tips on finding better quality items and things like fabric and avoiding some of the trend stuff so that you don't end up with a lot of waste and clothes that you don't even like. So let's get into the video. So this is the bag of stuff that I got. So let's go through it all. For my size, I'm about a large. Sometimes I do medium depending on what it is, but it's usually a large or an extra large if I want something really baggy. So before we get into this, let's pause a little bit. I'm sorry I look so uncomfortable and awkward in this first clip of my outfit. I don't know what I was doing. The angle of the camera's off. I'm sorry. It does get better from here. But I just had to point that out. Okay, with that out of the way, I loved these pants. This is definitely something I will wear constantly. I love the drawstring. It makes it very comfortable, easy to fit. And then also just the ripped jeans will always be in style. It's comfortable, it's easy, definitely a great find. The top that I'm wearing for this also, this is just something I had in my closet, but I thought it paired well also with this like silk skirt. Something about Shein too, when you get their clothes, everything is kind of wrinkled, so you definitely gotta iron it out, steam it out. The fabric's lightweight, comfy, definitely perfect for the spring. So I do love this shirt so much. I don't know why I just put it over this outfit. It definitely deserves like some really cool pants, maybe a cool pattern on the bottom, which I did have in my closet but didn't pull out, sorry. But what I'm serving in this outfit right now, it definitely feels like Kanye Sunday Yeezus service, doesn't it? I look like I'm about to go praise the Lord at some Coachella venue. But definitely a real fun outfit, very comfy shirt, and I wear this a lot. Casually, I can dress it up, I can dress it down, definitely a statement piece. When it comes to Shein, like getting the basics down. So here they have a lot of like body shapewear, really comfy, stretchy, items like this, like definitely a great find, very comfy and snatches that body up. So definitely a good way to go. I also got this black version. It was a different styling. I did size this a little too big. Shapewear, I think it's best to go down a size than you are so that you make sure like it really molds to your body a little better. But I do like this to have casually in my house, to lounge around in. And I also got some underwear, but I'm not going to show that on this video. But things like that, I really love their simple like panty and bra sets that are more of a spandex fabric. I love those and other items like that. Okay, so moving forward, I got these jeans and I was a little afraid to get jeans from Shein, but I needed some like light skinny jeans and these are perfect. Super stretchy, comfortable, fits in the right areas. I also got this tank top to go. I just needed a casual white tank top for the summer. Love this, very comfy. So this next shirt that I'm wearing with the jeans, I thought it would be different. It would fit a little differently, but it really wasn't my favorite. I do like the simplicity of it. It's like some kind of knitted almost texture with holes in it, so it's breathable with the back open. I thought it would be cute, but not really my style. I do I don't think I should have got that one, but not a bad shirt. This shirt here, I am obsessed with. This does lean a little bit more on the trendy side of clothes, very cottagecore, but I love this shirt so much. I'm gonna wear it all the time. It is very comfortable, very breathable. It's also cute, but then like a little sexy. I love it. I love it. I feel great in it. I'm glad I got this shirt. Definitely recommend this. And when it comes to picking out items, definitely it's best to stay away from big, bold, strong graphics. Like, I definitely love color. That's very evident from my channel, my house, whatever. But when it comes to clothes, if you want things that will last you a long time, just stick with basics. Simple colors, not too big, bold patterns, stretchy fabric clothes, so that usually you know that it fits you. For example, I got this like blue jean shirt. I do like this shirt. I think I got it a little too oversized. I would have sized it down looking back on it, but I will still rock this shirt. So here's another good basic example. I got this oversized white collar shirt, like super comfy, airy, fits really nice actually. I do have some other plans, maybe like tucking it in, putting something over it, things like that. But honestly, I probably would have gone a size up maybe, so it could be maybe a dress in the summer with some shorts. I don't know. Overall, I do really like this, and just very comfy, airy. Also needs to be ironed. An ongoing theme here with Shein. And then I did try this outfit out with this corset. So here are some items that do lean more trendy. I did want to try this out with a corset over it, and with the white tee. I think it'll look really pretty in the spring. Forgive me, I did not want to strap myself in this corset right now. And it is more loose, but I can fit it. I can shape it to my body a little bit more, and try some different pants with this. Definitely could be really cute outfit. Maybe even add a skirt. Who knows? Lots of possibilities here. Again, this isn't a basic item. This is a more trendy item, but I've been wanting a dress like this for a really long time. And when I saw it, I was like, I gotta get it. I gotta try it out. I really like this. I can see myself wearing this outdoors in nature, taking like frolicking through some sunflowers is how I see this dress. Definitely really good fabric, thick enough. I felt very comfortable in this, so I would give this dress 5 stars. Love it. And going onward, so I got this. I got this jumpsuit. I love it. I love it so much. Very comfy. I feel snatched, but also just having a good vibe. And it has these flare bottoms at the bottom. Super cute, and the texture itself is more of like a flower pattern. I definitely see myself wearing this even through the fall. This would be a good fall outfit. It is on the thinner side of fabric, so if it gets too cold, you might freeze. But cute outfit. For this next one, it's given cottagecore, spring, frolicking through flowers. I love this dress. I do think I should have gone a size down. This is actually a large. I could have gone for medium because you see how it's a little loose on the waist. It would be nicer if I was a little bit more snatched in it, but really cute. I also don't have a lot of boobage, so I feel like the top isn't as full as it could look, but overall cute dress. I can definitely see myself wearing that. For this next outfit, I was just in love with the sleeves. I was in love with these sleeves. I love this kind of fabric of shirt. It's very universal. I feel like I wear this kind of shirt throughout the year, and I can layer it. I can do different outfits. I will say this skirt, I hate this skirt. I don't know why I got this skirt. The fabric online looks a little like it would be more of a cottony, but it's almost like a plastic to me. It does not feel right. It feels more cheap. So I don't recommend getting the skirt. But overall, the shirt, nice. I tried to mix the patterns here, but you'll see in this outfit change. I instead went for, this is actually a dress that I've gotten from a friend, and I thought it paired really nicely with this shirt. Very spring, very light, and to have like a denim dress, cute, cute. So this last dress, well, it's actually a shirt and a skirt that I really wanted to try out. I know this is a little bit more on the trendy side, but I am obsessed. I actually wore this out the other night and got so many compliments. It's just so flattering, so cute, comfy, and really fun. So it's actually like a little bit of a velvet with the flower area, and then it comes with a tank top underneath that sheer top. So, you know, it's all inclusive. You ain't seeing the boobies. It just is very comfy, and I love the stretch to it. But one of my favorite items that I got from this whole thing is actually this crop top. What do you call this jacket? Trench coat. This crop top trench coat. So beautiful. I love this. Very comfy. Actually, it's kind of, it's on the thinner side. And also be careful with the clasp on the sleeves. I actually lost one of them, but they could fall off if you don't like have it attached right. So keep that in mind, but definitely a great spring jacket. I definitely see myself wearing this a lot. I want to close this out with the jewelry and some of the miscellaneous items that I also got. So let's run through all of that. First up, let's go through the necklaces. I'm kind of going through a phase, or I don't know, I just kind of like dainty necklaces. So a lot of the pieces that I picked up, like this one here, it's like a little gold chain. So like something like this, I think is really cute, simple. Then I got this, and I'm like, how did I think this was gonna fit around my neck? They made these really small. I'm like, is this a bracelet? It feels more like a bracelet. Like I think I'm supposed to bend it. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. I like that one. I thought I wouldn't. I was worried. Okay, simple. Just 2 chains. I like this one. Looks nice, looks nice. I brought this like pearl necklace. Pearls are actually my birthstone, so I thought it'd be nice, you know, to have a little pearl necklace. I don't have any like that. That's really cute. It's pretty. And then I saw this and I had to get it because it reminds me of my childhood a lot. But I don't know if you guys remember these. These plastic necklaces. Oh, these chokers? Oh, it's so 90s. Or 2000s, I don't know. It's grunge, man. I love this. How cute. I will definitely be wearing that. Okay. And I have like 10 of them, so. And speaking of chokers, I actually got like a velvet thin one. A little bit more classy than that one, the last one. When it comes to earrings, I also got a handful of them. So the first one up is actually this snake. I didn't think it would be like this, but it's the head on one, and then I have to put the body under it, and it goes in like that. And then I got these earrings that kind of look like amber. Really pretty. So I can, there's also these cherries. And in the photo, they kind of hang like that. But I don't know how they got them on their ear. Like, there's nothing. There's no tab or nothing. Because maybe like this. But this, it's like really thick and not really long. I don't know how I'm supposed to put these on. It's a shame because I don't know what to do with these now. In the theme of pearls, there's also these earrings I got. Ooh, that's really nice. I also got these big swirls, which you get the point. I'm not gonna put them on. Lastly, for the earrings, there's these simple gold hoops. Love. Okay. On Shein, they're selling like furniture now and a bunch of other items for your home, your hair, your clothes, whatever you need. Shein is like trying to enter all the markets. I did end up getting some incense from them, so I was running low. They break really easily though. That's the one thing with these incense. They're very fragile, so smell decent though. And then also for home interior, I got so this is just some more hanging, oops, just some more hooks for my closet. Like this. So it comes in a pack of 2. Also got a headscarf. This one's very pretty. I like this one. I also got this one here. I needed a more formal nude bag. So I picked up this one, very simple with the gold clasp and a chain, you know? Really pretty and big enough to hold everything that I need. So that's the end of the haul. A lot of great stuff. Thank you guys for watching. If you stayed this long, it really supported the channel. And also give a like, subscribe, comment down below, any of that's good stuff. All that stuff lets me know that you like this kind of videos, and if you do, I'll make more hauls, thrifty clothing videos in the future. I appreciate you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Until next time, bye.